Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's nice to have you back. So, have you ever heard of a jam that can help with constipation? A jam that can be beneficial to brain health? What? Crazy, right? Well, it's not that crazy because I've got that recipe for you today. Okay, so I would like to share with you this amazing recipe. It's one of my favorite homemade jams. It's made of different berries, so strawberries, blackberries, blueberries. You can use whatever berries you've got in the house. But personally, today I'll be using strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. So let's find out more about the health benefits of this amazing ingredient. Research suggests that berries are packed with powerful antioxidants which can help fight off free radicals in our bloodstream. The powerful antioxidants in berries can also help our bodies fight off infections and inflammation. So this inflammation are responsible for many chronic diseases such as osteoarthritis, type 2 diabetes, some cancers, and many other health conditions. It has been scientifically proven that berries can therefore help with pain associated with osteoarthritis as well as inflammation. So berries can also help us recover quickly after exercise. So if you are a gym or exercise lover, this recipe will be very beneficial to you. Now let's talk about the dates. So I've mentioned that we'll be using date sugar. So dates have become one of my favorite sweeteners, and that is why we'll be using the date sugar, which is simply dried up dates and ground into powder. So that's what date sugar is. So please note that you can use blended dates too, because date sugar can be so tricky to find. So simply soak dates in hot water and wait for a few minutes, then put it in your blender and blend it or mash it up, so soaking it will help soften the dates and easier to blend. So dates have so many health benefits that it's mind-blowing. For example, according to research, dates contain anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic effect, like so many health benefits. Dates can also help in labor and delivery. So what can dates do? I don't know. So dates are also packed with fiber. Yes, people who suffer from constipation, hence I mentioned in the beginning that this recipe will be for you. So you ensure that you consume foods containing fiber, increase water intake, as well as doing some light and moderate exercise. So fiber alone will not help with constipation. So you have to make sure you are hydrated and you do just light exercise, the ones you can handle. So dates are very beneficial for colon health as they are prebiotics, meaning they feed the good gut bacteria, the beneficial bacteria growth in our gut. So science also suggests that dates can help prevent the growth of colon and stomach cancers. So our next ingredient is chia seeds, which also contain fiber, plant protein, antioxidants, B vitamins, minerals, and omega-3, which is beneficial for our brain health. Hence, I mentioned in the beginning about the jam being beneficial to our brain health. So to conclude, we can see that this jam recipe that I'm about to share with you does not only taste amazing, but also comes with many health benefits. And I hope that you will make this recipe at home and hopefully someone's life will be positively impacted. So who would have thought that a jam could be so beneficial to our health? It's mind-blowing. So my friends, let's dive into the recipe. Put your berries in a pot and turn your heat to medium. Stir your berries slightly, then add your lemon juice. Add your sweetener, so this is the date sugar. Add some more as you please, and some more, and some more. So when it starts to simmer, mash it with your potato masher or with your fork, whichever you prefer, and voila, that's the mashed up version. And then add your chia seeds. A little bit more date sugar, as the jam requires a little bit more sweetness, and then stir. Pour the jam in a jar. Put in your jar and cover with a lid. You can place it upside down for it to lock perfectly, and then refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Use the jam as you please. I'm having mine on some chickpea omelette that I made on my previous video, so please check it out for the recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video, and until next time, it's bye for now.